Are you in need of an industrial, circular saw blade that cuts through thin steel with ease? The 7-inch thin steel blade is specialized for our Trajan Q700, and it allows you to excel in light-duty steel applications in materials that are 1/8 of an inch thick and under. With a laser-cut body that provides less distortion than stamped blades, this thin steel blade will give a more accurate rotating blade with less wobble and straighter cuts. By providing cooler, faster, and longer cutting, this blade will leave a workable, cool-to-the-touch finish and pristine professional results. The 7-inch 68-tooth thin steel blade incorporates an industrial brazing technology and has superior triple-chip ground teeth, ensuring an extra durable bond between the teeth and the body of the blade. On top of that, this blade has premium-grade carbide teeth that cut seamlessly through thin steel applications. QSaw blades are built to last. In fact, our blades last over 20 times longer than conventional abrasive blades. Here at Sawblade.com, we are taking our customer satisfaction one step further. We conveniently offer our 7-inch 68-tooth QSaw blade in a 3-pack, saving you up to 15%. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of QSaw as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. So if you're ready to get cutting, head over to Sawblade.com and order your QSaw blades today. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.